Chances are you are not using this gig economy platform, but why? With average pay up to $12 on a single trip, that's pretty solid. And then new ways to earn here in 2026. So why might you be ignoring this 2014 founded Roadie gig platform? Roadie, a last mile delivery service owned by UPS. Very simple. You know the deal by now. You go, you pick up an offer, and then you deliver it to the customer. But that's not it with Roadie. Remember, there's something that's pretty new on Roadie. So new that even marketplaces like here in Pittsburgh, I don't have it yet, but I want to test it because it competes with other popular gig apps like Amazon Flex. Firstly, though, what are the different ways to earn? Like, what am I going to be delivering? So let's go look at the phone here. This is in my marketplace here in Pittsburgh. Let's just zoom around, and instantly you probably notice Roadie is a little bit different than other platforms like DoorDash and Uber Eats and stuff like that, because I can see the entire marketplace and I can see right in front of me where the offers are available. Here's one of the negatives, in my opinion, of Roadie. Let me know if you've tried Roadie. A lot of these, in my opinion, aren't really worth it. I mean, there's everything from luggage delivery, just various retail and merchandising. There's a lot of pharmacy. And I feel like Roadie is similar to Skip Carts owned by 7-Eleven. Roadie owned by UPS. I find a lot of the offers that are actually worth it, and the ones that I personally have actually completed, it's the pharmacy run. So it's not going to be up to $12, but it's like $7 for 1 mile, 2 mile. That's where I want you to be. $1.75 paid up per mile to ideally $2 to $3 plus. But yeah, some of these are super long and super upside down, I call it. So $1 a mile, or 1-to-1, I call that, or under $1 a mile, which is just a straight upside down order, we call it. AKA, you're basically losing money. So please don't take the 1-to-1s or the upside down offers. But Roadie is not all bad. I've taken some Roadie. I'm still activated on Roadie. I will still use Roadie as a filler app to fill in my other busier apps. But what is new for 2026? There's something big here that was announced in 2024 that, yes, I think will come to new marketplaces. And it competes with Amazon Flex, shipped delivery only, some of Walmart Spark, and DoorDash Dashlink. That's this, RoadieXD. RoadieXD is very similar to those aforementioned gig apps where they give you an entire route of deliveries. So I know I'm going to be busy from this time to this time. I'm going to get a guaranteed pay amount. And where am I going to be driving? Let's talk about RoadieXD. Here's an example of a block, 4 p.m. to 8:30 p.m., 4.5 hours, and you can see $140 guaranteed. Now, I can see the route overview, which is great as well, because some platforms, Amazon Flex, they show you this, but they don't show you the route overview. This is called a RoadieXD block. There's two different options. There's routes and there's blocks. And both of these, again, are pretty new here to Roadie, so pay attention to this. Roadie says, blocks are pre-scheduled timeframes, usually lasting between 4 to 9 hours. Here's a distinction. So if you want to work more hours, like literally a full workday, you don't want to have to grab different shifts and stuff like that. A block here on Roadie up to 9 hours is more than any other gig app that I've seen. There's no Amazon Flex 8 to 9 hour shifts. There are 4+ hour shifts. And then the ship to delivery only, the Dashlink, the Walmart Spark, maybe even some Uber Eats routed. I have not seen any routed shifts that are this long. The only thing I can think of that has a routed shift that's this long is something in like the medical courier space, or maybe, I don't know, VHO. There's some of these longer routed transportation gigs. But Roadie is a smaller platform with 200,000 independent contractor drivers. And for context, Instacart has probably about 700,000. The last numbers that I've seen were 600, but that was pretty dated. So let's call it even 900 or something. And then Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, they have millions of gig workers. Uber and DoorDash both have over 8 million workers respectively. So during these longer shifts, drivers pick up multiple gigs from a RoadieXD warehouse, the same thing as Amazon Flex. GoPuff is at a very small level. GoPuff is only going to give you like 3 stops at a time. Amazon Flex, their warehouse, they're going to give you, yes, 2 to 4 hour plus routes. So you're doing more stops per hour. It's going to be the same thing with RoadieXD Blocks and routes. It's going to be more stops per hour, but the trade-off is I get that predictable pay. That versus sifting through individual offers like on DoorDash and other platforms. Instead of offering on individual gigs, there you go, drivers are automatically matched with gigs for the duration of the block. New blocks are released every Wednesday for the upcoming week, so keep an eye out for more chances to earn each week. Now compare that to the RoadieXD routes. So let's compare what might be a better fit for you. So blocks, I have a big time section and they just toss me more gigs, more deliveries. They'll just throw deliveries and I'm scheduled for Roadie during this time. I just deliver whatever they assign me. Versus RoadieXD routes. Quotes, which are typically single, fixed routes assigned at one time. RoadieXD blocks have multiple gigs that may vary throughout the scheduled time period. This means that you continue receiving new gigs as you complete deliveries rather than completing one route and waiting on another. So could have been said maybe a little bit clearer. Let me kind of distinguish here. So a route is like Amazon Flex. I get one route, my deliveries are presets, and I go make those deliveries and I'm done. There's nothing that is added on. Versus the block, I'm like online, you can think of it. I'm scheduled on my block. I may already have been given some deliveries, but they can keep adding deliveries, and I keep completing those deliveries for the duration of that scheduled block. Here's the deal with RoadieXD though. It's relatively new. They started doing these routes in 2024. Right now, it says it is invites only in the following metro areas: Atlanta, New York City, New Jersey, Dallas, Chicago, Miami, Orlando, and Los Angeles. Why would I though, or you even still entertain Roadie? Because like, hey, you just talked about XD, but like most marketplaces don't have XD. So why should I even like sign up and download? Yes, it's free to sign up and stuff like that, but why would I consider Roadie? Remember how we're considering Roadie though as a filler app. So if I'm busy with my other like larger gig apps that I detailed prior, and it gets a little slow, that is when I turn on filler apps. I tell you the same thing here. So if I'm looking at my phone here, like a filler app for me would be Roadie. It would be Skip Carts, Poplin or Laundry Pro, their app is called. You can maybe cherry pick catering apps as well. Zifty deliver that. Expedite, I have Fantuan, I have Delivery Panda or Hungry Panda. So I just have those always in the wings. Like if it gets slow, that's when I turn them on. And remember, we can see that map with the offers and it'll tell you when it needs done by. So if I can schedule something ahead of time, that's something that DoorDash is doing with catering. They're moving over to scheduled catering offers. I mentioned the standalone catering gig apps. Maybe I can grab one of those. So, okay, now I have one of those for later this evening. Roadie does have other earnings opportunities if you want to get more certifications. So if you have a larger vehicle, if you have certain equipment, you can handle not only a larger like capacity, but heavier stuff because you have certain equipment. Roadie is also an open marketplace. Like I don't have to be online to see offers. And I'm certainly not seeing like all offers on Uber Eats and DoorDash. So I'd have to be online with them and then they're sending me one offer at a time. Yes, DoorDash is expanding Dash Link, which is their warehouse routed option, but still like not everyone has Dash Link. So this has both. Similarly, it has the warehouse runs with XD. It has the single offers, but I can see the single offers like everywhere. So if you're not, let's say like in a city center, if you're in a rural or suburban marketplace, maybe think about this. DoorDash or Uber Eats isn't even serving that area because it's just so like, rural, let's say, that perhaps Roadie would be available, at least giving you an option. And then any marketplace that has that like open market of orders, just think about this though, because Shipt kind of does that, where it will say, okay, downtown segments, here's offers for downtown, and they're listed there. Other platforms do it, but any platform that does that, they like, well, Spark does. Yes, Spark does that as well. Sometimes they'll send you exclusive requests, but there's also a list of offers that you can grab. If there's a good offer, I would grab it ASAP. That's the only problem with like listing all the offers in the marketplace. So if it makes sense, I would grab it. Overall verdict, Roadie's not a bad gig platform. It's just never going to be the biggest. It's not going to have the most volume, and it's not going to keep you super busy throughout the day. But as a filler app in 2026, especially with XD, I'm liking routed options in 2026. That is where Roadie can have a position in your kind of gig apps in your portfolio.